Hello, man. Last year at Unity, we only made $50 billion. Now, unfortunately, this is not good enough, especially in today's market. My family and I almost starved to death. We only ate at 666 five-star bacon restaurants. I was only able to purchase 19 rental properties, 4 mansions, 13 cars, and only went to 366 vacations last year. I suffered a lot because of the pandemic, the high interest rates, the crazy inflation, and the rising cost of living. This company will go bankrupt. Maybe. We cannot continue like this. Going forward, I, as your CEO, have made some minor changes to our policies. Starting yesterday, we are going to start charging everyone 120 bacons dollars every time a game is downloaded, installed, and uninstalled. In addition, we are also going to charge a small fee anytime a game is launched to play. I can guarantee that our users will not have any issue with these new policies once they stop spending their money on useless things such as food, water, bread, medication. Next year, with Elon Musk's Neuralink project, we will start charging people automatically $69 big dollars anytime they are thinking of or dreaming of playing video games. And finally, to conclude today's meeting, we are going to trademark the following words for safety reasons. Those words are Unity, games, play, boycott. We are also going to trademark sue and suing, just in case.